That is how you prepare a simple cost estimate for your brick foundation. See, all of this has been measured for. Total cost of brick foundation is this. Okay, now once you've done all of this here, you can now go back.
Hello, everyone. Good day. How you all doing? Welcome to the Academy for Digital Learning and Mastery Studio. This is our YouTube channel where we've been discussing several quantity surveying software, 5D analysis software, and all of that. Now, we'll continue our series on the MyBuildCost software. In the last video, you can check the link to the last video in the description of this video. We were able to discuss how to create your library for quantity takeoff just for substructural works alone. Now, if you need more information on that, you can always reach out to me via the comment section, or you can always click the link in the video to reach out to me on my personal WhatsApp page. Also, one more thing for those that have been requesting on how to get this software, you can easily get this software via mybuildcost.io. mybuildcost.io. The link to get this software is in the description of this video. And for everyone that will be registering for this software or getting this software from the via the ADLM Studios platform, you'll be getting a whooping 20% discount off your monthly or yearly license. That is 20% off whatever you're going to pay for monthly or yearly license. That is the best you can ever get from anyone out there. So let's get into the software. As in this video, we'll be looking at how to prepare a quantity takeoff for substructural works. I will look at loading the drawings in and preparing the detailed quantity takeoff. Let's go in. First, we are back on the software and I've logged into my account here. So this is the ADLM Studios fourth page. Now we just come to create here. We're creating a new project. And the name of this project would be
Proposed residential building. Okay, in the location of this, we just put this Lagos, Nigeria. Now the type of building is a bungalow building, a single bungalow building. Now we have options there such as create new work breakdown from scratch, use work breakdown from existing, and structure work breakdown for some project. For work breakdown from scratch, that means you have to create your own takeoff list, prepare your own takeoff. From the start, that's from the first item. One form of work breakdown for structure for existing project. Let's assume you created quantity takeoff or prepared a build before using the software. And now this new item of new build that you want to prepare has similar items of work. That's a similar work breakdown. Okay, you can check out the video on how to make use of Microsoft Project software. In that video, I was able to explain what work breakdown is in detail while we're preparing the program. So just basically, work breakdown software just like the items of work that are required for you to carry out this project. Then from sample projects, that is, you have from sample project or sample libraries that are in this project, which are for various type of building, which may be useful for you or may not. But for you that will be using this for the first time, I would advise you use this create from scratch method. Then the currency is Naira. We have previous currency, but since I'm in Nigeria, yeah, I'll make it Naira. So I'm pricing my bill in Naira. Now, the tax method here, we have GST, sales tax, service tax, and VAT. In Nigeria, we use the VAT, which is the value added tax, which is what I'm making use of here. Value added tax. I also add image of the building. We have the 3D view or rendering of that project. Once you're done with all of this, you'll see I have this name like this already. So, proposed residential building, double sisters here. Great. Because I already have the name already, so I used a different name this time around. Now, once you open up your default workspace for you to prepare your work, we have the project head, and new project head. That is your project sub-heading. Okay, now we have the general heading, which is this proposed residential building. That's the project name. Now for project head is the various work section, like section 1 substructure, section 2 structure, finishes, and all of that. So for this project head here, we will create the first project head, which is substructure measurement, because that is the focus of this video. Okay, I'll come back here to add project head, and I'll give you the name. That is substructure. Now for this one substructure measurement, we are measuring in square meters, not square feet. Now this changes immediately. You can always pick your area, the slab area we have that before. But since we don't need any of this, leave it as 0, change this to square meters, and we are good to go now. See, at this stage here, it gives some demo videos of demo items here, which is also very good. The included ADLM substructure. Now the cost head, that's your cost summary. Now on this part here, we have the cost head, budget cost, and estimated cost. The budgeted cost is the cost that you plan that you would spend on that project, while the estimated cost is the cost that will be gotten based on our bill of quantities. So budgeted cost can be your client's budget, for example, for that particular item of work. While we have the net factor, which is the cost variance. That's the difference between your budget cost and estimated cost. So let's say, for example, you're planning to spend 5 million, and when your bill, you find that you put a bill for 10 million. So you have a deficit of 5. That's the deficit. So your cost variance should be 5 million. And the cost variance helps to know the difference between your budget cost and estimated cost. So we have the total budget cost and cost per area. Same way, we have total estimated cost per area with VAT and without VAT. You can quickly give your client the fastest estimate or summary. But for this, I need to set something straight. I need to adjust my columns here. I'll come back here, to this column here. And I don't need to see the budget cost per area. So I don't need that. You just turn off all you need. Estimated cost, I need to see VAT, total cost per area with VAT, and without VAT. I don't need the cost per area. This is what I just need. Budgeted cost, total cost, and VAT. That's just what I need. Okay? And this is the total here. Now for the first item of work without credit, that's the cost per here. Now I will enter the first item name here. So for this year, let's see software strip foundation. Okay, for this strip foundation now, I would like to create item of work inside this strip foundation. Okay, if I click on that, you see we have gives us a new where we can create our detailed work estimate. Okay, now once we close this page for us here, we'll start loading in our measurement. I remember our estimating library we created in the last video. If you've forgotten that, you can check the description of this video and you'll see the link to that video where I explain how to create a work item library. It is that library for substructure we'll be making use of in this video. Now for you to do that, click on this plus again, this drop down, see work item. Once you select this work item here, it loads this for you. Now this is your project, the category and all of that. So now I want to make use of the library we created. Okay, so just click on this drop down. It says cost libraries. I click, this is my library here. Once I click on this, it shows me all of the items inside my library. See, from site clearance to finishes. Now I've picked the first one, which is site clearance. So I've picked this here. Just leave all of this as it is. Just click add. Just click add. It adds that into this your project immediately. Now we don't have a quantity date, which is what we're going to do. For us to drive our quantity, we need to load our drawings into this. Now there are two methods to this. If you have a label, you have your total area here. Just type in your total area in this quantity aspect here. But since you don't have a total area, we need to load our drawings. So we are measuring. We make use of this icon here. Can you see this here? So what we'll be making use of here. Now for this here, just click on this icon. Loads up our drawing page for you. Now this page here, we want to load our drawing. That's to upload the drawings we'll be making use of. You go to upload drawings, and it opens up your file explorer. You can also drag and drop the drawing also. I see it's loading in here, extracting. Now once the drawings are up here, it tells you to select pages you might be needed. I need the site area, floor plan, and probably the roof plan. Then the elevation also should be needed. As for the elevation, I just need the floor plans and elevation. Then add. As I click add here, it's here already. We have on this page here, we have the drawings on my right hand side here. This is the first page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 pages I loaded in. Now up here I have some very important tools. I have back to return to the previous page, select to select whatever is on the workspace here. Then linear, that's for linear measurement, area for area measurement, count for numbers, just like other want to take off tools. Okay. Now we have copy, paste, clip, and all of that. Now we'll make use of just to measure for the area of this item here. Now down here, this says our 2D takeoff. What are we measuring for? Site clearance. Quantity is 0. That is based off what we did previously that brought us to this page here. Now for the measurement item, we have to give it a name. You can either choose to give it a name or not. Okay, and this is just for the general area, so I won't be giving it any name. I'll just come back here, pick this area. Okay, but before I would pick the area, I have to scale my drawing. I have to use an existing measurement to scale the drawing. I'll be using this part here. This is 3.14. I'll click scale. Then once I click on scale, this is scale up here. Now the toolbars here. We have annotate, we have zoom, then we have scale. So we have upload drawings and scale drawing. So I click on this to scale the drawing. Manual scale. I prefer scaling manually. Metric in meters. Okay. Now click from, I will zoom in. We're not sure. Click from the first point down to the next point here. Show you on the straight. I will zoom in. I'll type in meters, that's 3.14. Yes. While I scaled my page already. That's how easy it is for you to scale your page. You can now use this measure to confirm your distance. Say, I click on this measure. Exactly 3.14. It's even giving you a measurement. And you see this, it's being added by this last updated by. You see, it really helps to know who made the manipulations on your drawing. Or we'll still get there in later videos. Now for this I'll pick area. I'll pick the top part here. Okay. Down to this point. This is my building area. Once you're done, just press enter and it gives you your total area down here. And you see it's showing this as your area. It's showing it as your area, and that's measurement 1. This is the area. Okay, so that's how you measure for your area. Once you're done with this, just press back. Now once you press back here, you've seen the area is now here. Your rate is there, your total cost is here. As easy as this, the total estimated cost is okay. Okay, now let's move to the next item of work, which is the next one is also this plus sign, then work item. Now once you click on this work item, you'll pick the next, still from this library, trench excavation. That's foundation excavation. Can you see that here? Just click on it and add. That's all you have to do at this point. It's as easy as that. Now once you've added that, you have this here. Now let's pick the measurement, which is this. We're going to measure for excavation, that is trench excavation. For that, we'll make use of the drawing that has the floor plan. So just pick this here, drawing that has the floor plan. Click on continue. Now with this, we have to scale this page also. Scale windows. This is 10. Now, another thing is you can always hide all of this. See this hide. You have your own workspace for you to work with. Now for this here, you pick from the first point to the next point, which is scale. And I'll scale diametric. Okay. So that will just be 10.5 meters. You pick from the first point here to the next point here. Once you pick that, that will be 10.5 meters. And voila, scaled our drawing. Okay. Now once you scale the drawing at this point, we now want to measure. For you to measure, make sure this fixed angle. After you click on linear, make sure you turn on fixed angles. Once you turn on this fixed angles, it makes your work easier for you to move on the straight line. And reduces error due to bends and all of that. Then you right click to move around. Left click to pick point. Right click to move around. I hope you understand that. To get to the top part, double click. You check your measurements here. And you see, this is the total external that at 60.12. And that's measurement 1. You cannot maintain this measurement 1 to external. That's all for that. Now let's move to measurement 2. And the beauty of this is it adds everything up for you. Okay, now let's take for measurement 2. That's internal walls. Let's click on linear. Let me bring this down. Hide then linear. Let me just take the vertical walls internally. Let's click this here. Click this here. Click. Just pick the vertical walls. Let's see what that does. Click from this point and click this. Okay. This will bring down here. Double click. Now this vertical wall also. See, once I'm done, once I get to the end, double click. That shows I'm done with that particular segment. See how fast it is. Once you're done with picking all of your wall like this, make sure fixed angle is turned on. Now we check our measurement section here. See measurement 2. As we are measuring, it is adding everything. What we've measured so far, this is 44.83. And change the color of that to, let's say, yellow. I have blue for internal, X for external. When I check my total summary here, this is total 105. But it is in meter. Remember, it's just linear measuring, and we need volume, cubic. We need our measurement to be in volume, not just linear, right? Now put our width of excavation. This is 0.675. Then the depth of excavation is 1.2. Same here as 0.675. The depth of excavation becomes 1.2, and it updates your measurement. Okay, and this is it here. Now check this is now your volume here. Volume of excavation is 79 cubic meters. Once you pick this here, just go back. And by going back now, you will see your total estimated cost now. Just for site layout and excavation, this is total estimated cost. And cost of this is this alone. Now let's move into the next work item, which is trend concrete and foundation. The work item. From this your library here, just pick the concrete and foundation here. If you have so much here, you can just search for it here. Copy a concrete. You see concrete, it gives us everything about concrete. So I need concrete foundation 124 mix. That's this here. Then add. Once you add it, it comes into your project immediately. And once it's here already, now your quantity take off. Remember, you see the same area that you measured here, same linear area, but same gap you measured here, and you need here, right? All you just do is you come back to this place, open up the measurement back. And once you've opened this here, you would select external walls, and that's your two measurements that are here. You select that. It's taking a bit of second to load. So you pick this, see this check mark here, you pick this check mark and this check mark. Select all of this. And once you've selected it, just copy. Once you've copied this here, come back. Now let's now go back to the next item of work we need to measure, which is this. Bring this back here, open it up. Now once you pick this here, just paste. Once you paste it, it brings all of that here. But now we need the height is now the thickness of our concrete. That is 0.225 meters, remember? And here also is 0.225 meters. It calculates all of that for you. And this is our current volume. Back. And you have your total cost. This is total cost for concrete foundation here. Next item of work here, Blockwork foundation work item. Let's pick up our Blockwork foundation. Still in that library, Blockwork foundation. That is this here. Once you've added this in, and the measurement we still copy that. You just pick this here. It's not here. You have to paste. You have to go copy the measurement and paste back like this and this. Once selected this two, copy back and paste. Now for this here, we only need the height. We don't need the width anymore. So remove the width here. We only need the height this time around. So that will be 1.2 minus 0.23. That's 0.97. So what's left is 0.97. Or if you have your drawing that states what is to be left, just type the height of the block. That's 0.97. Okay, that's for your block work. What I do is ahead of time, I'll just highlight these two. See, it still shows who created those measurements there. So in case you're working in a team and you want to find out who made changes to the measurements and all of that, you can always over your mouse around it and show you the details. And just copy. So I've copied this here. Just copying ahead of time for the next item of work we're going to measure. You see your total area for Blockwork. You see total sum here. And you see that. And you have your rates also. So you have the items of work, the quantity, unit, rates, and amount. Okay, that's all of this that we have here, and we have your value added tax inside all of that. Okay, now we'll move to the next item of work, which is laterite filling. Check here for laterite filling. That's this here. Now under this here, do this. All I will do is I'll load this item of work here. Now what I'll do now is I'll paste first. Now me pasting this now, I would add the thickness of the block, which is 0.23, and I would add 0.23 to this too. Okay, and the height now will be the thickness of the filling. The thickness of my filling this time around is, let's say 0.2 and 0.6, 0.6 as my thickness of my filling, right? 0.6. Now I will now use them as deductions, not as additions. I'll just turn on deduction, use for deduct. As I click use for deductions, they become automatically used for deductions. So they are subtracting this total volume, whatever I'm going to measure next. So that's you subtracting your area from the blockwork area. Okay, so that's once you've done this here, now come back to our measurement here. Then area. Now will come back to measurement. We have to click on this next part here, because that's where the next measurement will be. This, so that's for building area. Just click on area. So you pick from this. Now angle, which angle is on? Click, then use your right click to move. Then you can hide this if this is disturbing you. So you're able to see all of your page. So click the entire building area here. Now once you're done, just double click, and that gives you your total building area. Now if you click on this here, you have your building area, right? Now the entire area is this, so you just need to add the thickness also to 0.6. Now what it's doing is you're telling it that from whatever you have here, you deducted this, and this is what you have now. You see it's lower. Okay, that's 106.68 cubic meters compared to what we have here. That shows you that what we did here was we deducted the volume of block from the total volume of laterite that is to be done. See how easy it is. Once you've done this, you can just select all of this ahead of time, then copy. So that we won't have to come back here again and just go back. This is laterite filling. Okay, this is it. Then next item, work item. After you've done laterite filling, hardcore filling. Hardcore filling is here. Add. So once we've added our hardcore filling here, it is now in here. You see, as we are doing all of this, it is calculating the quantities, the rate, the amount, everything for you, as easy as that. Very beautiful. Now, just come down to this part here, and all you have to do is paste. So once you're pasting, you are just changing the thickness this time around. Okay. So once we pasted it, it's here already. Now the thickness now would now be, we did 0.6 here before. So we have to add thickness of laterite. So we're having, this will be 0.45 for the hardcore thickness, and the remaining 150 mm will be for oversite concrete. Then this here also 0.15. Now for the next items of work we'll be measuring, you just need the building area, that is measurement 3. I'll just highlight measurement 3 and just rename it to building area. Okay, so we have this as our building area already. So I can now select this here. See that it has done all the necessary deduction it has to do for us already. Once I select this building area, that's this box here, I'll just copy ahead of the next item of work. So I have my quantity, unit, rate, amount being done for me easily without any stress. Okay, now it's giving me a warning sign here. Let's see, say incomplete assembly. let's check what is missing inside our rate. Once you click on that pencil, you open up your rates library. So let's see what we missing. Oh, our labor. Did you see our labor here? For this cubic meter, that's 1 cubic meter, 500 naira. Save. Once you've done that, it has fixed the problem that it had there. So see those small warning yellow sign, it tells you when something is wrong, and you won't have see the signs no longer there again, and we are good to go. Our next item of work now is for soundproof cover and wire mesh. That's work item. We check out for EPM and wire mesh. We have a BRC mesh. Then add. Once you add this here, and we have all of this. So that's our wire mesh here. Click on this sign. Now once you've done this here, just paste. See how easy it is. Once you've pasted it, we only need the square area, we don't need any thickness. So just turn this off. And that is for your building area already. You see this is the area of the building. And I select this here, then copy also. And let's move to the next item, which is our DPM, work item, DPM. So once you just select this here. Now once you've selected this, all you just have to do this time around also is paste. You have your square area also. Select this ahead of the next measurement, then copy. Then after we've done our DPM and we've added our BRC mesh, the next item of work that we'll measure for is your Oversite Concrete work item. And once you have work item here, you have Oversite Concrete 1 to 4 mix, which is this. Add. Now once you've done that, click this here. Now once you've done this, paste. Once you've pasted it, we have to add our thickness this time around. That's 0.15. Once you add our thickness, we have our volume of our Oversite Concrete. Then that is how you prepare a simple cost estimate for your foundation. See, all of this has been measured for. Total cost of the foundation is this. Okay, now once you've done all of this here, you can now go back. It depends on your library. This is just like a summary that will just guide you to what you can do. And for this year, we have our estimated cost and budgeted cost. Budgeted cost can just type that in annually, but estimated cost is what you measured for, like I explained at the beginning of this video. Now, if you want to see how, we just click on this blue icon. You can see how we got this sum, okay, which is total cost here. Now, let's quickly do a quick cost summary. We'll click this here, and let's come back to report. Under this report, let's check for material and labor breakup. Click on material and labor breakup. You can get a summary. To select head, project head will be substructure, cost head, to foundation. And for work item, that's all the work item. Click this, all work item, apply filter. Once I've done that, you see I have a summary of all of the work items here. Okay, now if I check each of them, the material cost and labor cost, material and labor machinery and all of that, you can always select headings that you need and headings you don't need. But for this, you see I have my total cost of material as this, total cost of labor as this. That's how you get a summary of your material and labor. You see how we got that easily. So if whatever item you want to quickly check for, you can just check and you can now save report here. Save as summary, material and labor summary. Now with that, you've saved that report already. Now let's move to the next report that we need. We need just the material reports this time around. Just material. Now, what do we need? Substructure. The cost head is for street foundation. And the material we need to quickly get this one for. Let's say we want to go for cement. We want to calculate for the entire cement we need. This project, apply filter. Now what it does now, it gives us the entire bag of cement for street foundation. That's 300.87. That's 301 bags of cement. At this cost, total cost of cement is this. So if you need those kind of cost summary for your items of work, it allows you to do all of this. You see how not just preparing your bill alone, but material analysis. And let's say I need for cement, I need for sharp sand, I need for block. Okay, then apply filter. And this summary of cement is this, sharp sand is this, Blockwork is this, just for substructure. So if you are going to buy blocks for substructure, your client asks you how many blocks do you need to buy. You see, in less than 3 minutes, you were able to calculate for your substructure and knew how many blocks you're going to buy, bags of cement, and sand. In the detailed courses that will be coming up at ADLM Studios on this software, you will learn how to prepare quantity takeoff for various complex items of work. Okay, you will learn how to create quantity takeoff for various complex items of work, such as raft foundation, pile foundation, and other kinds of foundation. Also, learn how to prepare the quantity takeoff using the software, how to prepare your detailed cost estimate, cost summary, and estimated library. That's what you'll be learning at the detailed course that will be coming up at ADLM Studios. Thank you for watching this video to this point. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel as more videos will also be coming up on major details and basic details of what you can do using MyBuildCost software. Don't forget to use the link in the description of this video to get a 20% discount when you install this software and you get your license. 20% off whatever license, either monthly or yearly. Thank you.